Speaking Spanish. Anything.
Beautiful, man. It's like everything I got, I had to earn it. Now I cop whips and I ain't even got a permit. License, white shit, I drop it, turn it, ice it, watch the shit lock up, now you learn it. I call my man Mugga Mason here to learn you. Pat, 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 and that'll burn you. See, you get a casket or he earn you, then throw you on the manual, and that's how we get handled. Since the little league, I always had a handle. Now a nigga grown and I still got a handle. Only thing different, now I'm in the kitchen with them oils in the pot looking like I make candles. I ain't got scramble. My work ain't dirt. Right before the 31st, I give all the fiends samples. So when the first come, I can have it chirping. I be the one they call cause they know I got that work in. Like real, what I gotta be, respect, loyalty, and trust the real shit inside of me. Got me seeing change, I ain't even hit the lottery. All I did was hit the kitchen, dropped a little powder. I turned it into hard. You niggas had your turn, but this turn here is ours. Everything I earned, it was hard. And everything you earn, man, you burning cigars. Respect the money, you'll keep it. Y'all grind all week and be cracked by the weekend. That's why we both different, cause I spend when I need it. You make a little couple and you spend as you see it. You grinding for the day, I'm grinding for the future. I'm good at saving mine, cause broke is what I'm used to. The bull static, been real since way back. Don't think I'm sweet cause I'm laid back. Games for kids, I'm grown. Thinking I play scrap, a headshot to fuck up your wave cap. All over bread, nigga. I'll put you to bed, nigga, with no hesitation. I never been scared, nigga. We fear a law. Why the fuck would we fear niggas? You bleed how I bleed, so it's what over here, nigga? The rules I live by is no picks. We nothing like the niggas you roll with. Most of y'all hold dick. Coming over here like you know sticks. Dougie got a 5'7", he give you the whole 6. Come and get your roof clapped. If I shoot you, you pussies wouldn't shoot back. We different from where you at. I'm from a gutter end where niggas really do clap. Where we pop perks and sell work like it's new jack. We the new wave. You old niggas washed up. I do this rap shit for the youngins who ain't got much. And for all the real niggas sitting locked up. Shit, I feel they pain. That's why I'm trying to get this guap up. I rise and grind. They say the early bird catch the worm. So if you ain't talking dollar signs, then I ain't concerned. I wasn't stupid as a youngin', but I had to learn how them dollars made sense, cause everybody got a turn. You gotta recognize your turn when you get it. Cause in a split second, man, your turn can be finished. I play the block and trap it. I'm about this mugger, catch a bullet, try stopping static. You know, ain't shit to pull it once I cock the ratchet. I ain't go to boxing classes. Fuck a jab. That hot shit'll drop them faster. I'm who you call when a brick come. Break me off a piece of that, I show you how to get one. All off a couple flips. Cause I like to hustle, bitch. If it ain't about no money, we ain't discussing shit. I don't hang around them niggas who on one shit, cause niggas who on one shit, they be on some dumb shit. They only wanna be around cause you want chips, fucking all their money up and hoping you can front shit. To keep it real, I ain't got a helping hand. I did it by myself. They ain't helped this man. I won a couple $100, bought a couple grams, played the block all night up doing hand to hands. The man Wood won half on a half a pound. Got it popping, bought a wheel, and then we order pounds. You heard my phone ringing? Yeah, that's the order now. He gonna bring what I ordered, and he gonna bring more around. Cause he know I move this shit. I ain't talking foolishness. Everything I spit is real, and I can prove this shit. So try taking what I earn, I let this Ruger spit. Cause before I'm dead, pop, we top shot and Hooters shit. Call freaking side. They gonna spin them vans around. When they come, it ain't gonna talk, they be swinging hammers around.
Keep up, keep up, keep up. This is for my niggas on their third strike. Bully in the dirt bike, Mac 10 squeeze, hope it squirt right. Hope it don't jam, hope it work right. I just flip and switch the flow, I be hoping that it don't bite. But to do so, I ain't what they don't like. Two wrongs, do the right thing like Spike.
Right.
Pitch pure white like a thief in the night. When I was young, I ain't wanna be nothing like Mike. Mike ain't had 16 in the clip and one in the pipe when he held in the strip.
Right.
I know dope fiends that really wanna chip. And got a ring and they stayed on their dip. Play what you know good. Bad bitches in the bankroll go good. Purple haze in the backwoods smoke good. Go good like butters in Oakwood go good, so good.
Racks need 55 pies. I ride that 50 collie by my side. 50 of my guys. 50 niggas ride. These niggas swear that they 50, but they bitches in disguise. My niggas on their job, try to stack cake up. 5 M's, 25 gems, and a Jacob. You fem niggas wake up. All my boys ride. That 4-5 is tearing that limb from the waist up. I was running late, I had to step my pace up. Straight from the waist down. Right niggas straight clowns. First was the 40, now it's 50 on my waist now. Extended clip. 50 in a tray pound, tray 5. You bitchin' once I pull it from from my waistline. They hating me fatally, 5 in the daytime, 5 on the night shift, 5 niggas with me once that 5-inch pipe lift. All I need is like 5 of them dyke chicks, cop a couple pies and drop 5 on the right strip. Now I'm eating, drop 5 on my wife wrist. You ain't gotta like me like this. My man got 5 of that white shit and ride like a bike shit. So try to ride and get robbed on sight shit. 7 o'clock, 7770 stock. With this 357, hold 7 a whop, block out. I need 7 on that 7 a pop. With 77 and 7 in the heckler cotch, huh? It's like 7 niggas repping my block. 7 niggas hold 11 blickers setting up shop to 7. It's on my presence on the quest to the top. Give niggas the first 7, leave the rest for the cops. Try and drop like 7 on my necklace and watch. I'm regular with this heckler. You next in the box. You got 7 seconds to give up the rest of your guap. While I be creeping up 7 steps next to your pops, next to your Miz. 7 texts next to your kids. 7 birds hit the curve, give a check to the pig, so keep your mouth shut. Me and my niggas bout that. Round 7 noon, 7 goons be at your house that. 357, pull 7 with your scalp at. 7 with your mouth at. 7 when that tech out. Give a nigga 7, but the 7 leave you stretched out.